Eagles won. Unbelievable. Was that like such a momentous time? So many great memories and moments. Maybe your friends came over, maybe your neighbors came over, maybe you took some videos and photos. You showed me your wedding video as well.
Years ago,
there's
yeah.
so many memories, but you want to remember them. So this is the Legacy Box, and Craig Smith is here, our tech expert. This is all about preserving those priceless, once-in-a-lifetime great moments and memories in your life. It is a local American, Tennessee Legacy Box company. He's going to tell us all about it. This is the Legacy 8-piece Digitize and Relive Digital Conversion Kit with a 10-day rush. Your choice of either the 8-piece, which you see right there on a holiday weekend deal, or the 18-piece, $179.99, about $36 easy pay on that to share, to save, and preserve your old films. Your Betamaxes, I don't even know Betamax anymore, VHSs, DVDs, stories, maybe your moldy photos that you have. Craig Smith, talk to me about this. How does this work?
So this is the easiest. By the way, we talk about all the cool technology we bring here to QVC. It's a box. Really, that's what it is. It's a box that we're going to give you, and what you do, instructions are inside the box. You put a barcode on all those old technologies that you have. So you put a barcode on the old VHS tape, on the old 8mm reel, or a bag of 25 photos. You ship it to Legacy Box, company that's based in Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Love that.
This is all they do. They don't make TVs, computers, and on the side we sort of preserve the memories. No, that's all they do is preserve the memories. And with the barcode, you have updated tracking. Within about 3 weeks, you get everything back, all those precious memories, and you get a digital thumb drive that allows you to preserve all of that stuff. So we got a cool video to show you, kind of shows how it works. So box shows up on your doorstep.
Okay.
You open it up, and most of us have this stuff, Nancy. It's sitting in a shoe box. It's in a box, whether it's in the garage or the attic, somewhere that moisture can get to the content, somewhere that maybe something could happen to it. It all deteriorates over time. All you have to do is stick that little QR sticker on there, and packing the box, remarkably easy. Put everything in the box that you want to ship. And again, 8 or 18, I recommend the 18. So each unit counts as one videotape.
Okay, so you label it
one
up.
audio tape. You put the sticker on there, or 25 photos equals one as well. They have the bags inside, put the QR code on there, and ship it off to Legacy Box. They take care of everything else. They even give you the label. Just put the label right there on the box, and within 3 weeks, you're going to get all your stuff back, plus the thumb drive. And actually, just a couple business days, they're going to send you an email link as well. So when you do have something like this.
Yes, one of them?
Yes, just one. And I was actually talking to Carrie, who had the treadmill on earlier. She talked about how she has a family of 7 kids, right? There's 7 kids.
Sisters.
You've got 5.
4,
A picture like this from my mother back in the 1950s.
There's only one of them.
Only one.
One photo.
This could be something that the whole family fights over. This could be something that one person hangs on to and says, I don't want to share. Now you can share it, preserve it before it ever gets lost or destroyed.
Craig Smith.
Yes.
Did I tell you about my moldy family photos? Okay, first of all,
not good.
We came to America, and then we had a burglary in our house. We lost half our photos that way. So scary. So to digitize those priceless memories, those one photo that you have, right, from the 40s, the 50s, your parents, your grandparents, all that legacy, gone if you don't digitize and preserve it. Number 2, then my mom passed away. She had mold in her house, and those photos, they became moldy. And I was crying. I'm like, not only did we lose all our memories and all my baby photos, but then I only have a few left and they are moldy. This is what you need to do to preserve those legacies, to pass it down to your grandchildren, the next generation. And we're talking about the Betamaxes, the DVDs, the 8mm films, everything.
The VHS players, things that we typically don't have a way to play them anymore. Do you have cassettes laying around your house anymore?
Is this your grandma's wedding from the 40s?
Yeah. By the way, this is my old TV work. This was my demo reel back when I first started in television news, which feels like 100 years ago, but this was back in the 90s. I don't have a VHS player anymore.
How would you even, I wouldn't be able to find a company that can handle something like this.
But
Nancy, this is one piece, right?
Your story about having the moldy photos and losing the stuff.
It's devastating.
Is all too familiar. And all of us have those. What a photo is it's really a time machine.
Yeah.
It takes you back to that moment. I've got 2 great photos right here, both from my dad's side of the family. My father, National Guard, back in the early 1960s.
He was tall, just like you.
A little bit shorter than me, but
Okay.
just as handsome as you could tell. By the way, anybody invaded New Jersey back in the 60s, look out for big C.V. Smith right there. And you were talking about families coming to America. This is my great-grandmother, Stevie, and I believe, I could be wrong, but I believe she was the first member of my father's side of the family who left Ireland and came here. I have very few memories of her, but seeing that picture takes me back in time
You feel
to those
connected.
memories when I was a little kid, and I remember Grandma, she was my great-grandma, we called her Grandma Stevie.
Stevie.
And I would hate to lose this stuff. I would hate for this stuff to just disappear
And there's
with
probably
Legacy
just
Box.
one.
Yeah, this is the only one I found. I went
Yeah.
through a big old box of photos that sat in my attic. That's where most people put this stuff, and that's where that stuff starts to deteriorate. That's where it gets moldy. That's
Yeah.
where it gets wet.
Or lost.
That's where it gets destroyed. With Legacy Box, you can preserve all of those memories. You get a digital format of it. You can put it on your computer, email it to friends, and hang on to it before it's lost.
Such an easy process, like you said,
Ridiculously
right?
easy, yep.
So grab all your photos, grab all the things that you probably. All right, so how does it come back, Craig? And I love that it's in America.
Yeah,
And
Chattanooga,
you
Tennessee.
also get email alerts all the time, so you know exactly where these precious, priceless items are going,
Yeah,
right?
and this is what you'll get back. Again, you send it to Legacy Box, Chattanooga, Tennessee. You get it back. Everything is preserved, and you get a thumb drive that has all the digital content. You'll also get an email from Legacy Box that'll let you know that when it's going to show up, and also a digital download link. And here's the pamphlet right here. I get it right here. Open it up. There's your little QR sticker. So again, 8 or 18 items. I recommend you go with 18. So one videotape counts as one. One audio tape counts as one. This right here, this would count as one.
That's
or a bag
incredible.
of 25 pictures. Again, put the sticker on
all
the
those
box.
old home movies.
Yeah, send it to Legacy Box. You get it back, and now you'll never lose those great memories. You don't want to have them disappear. You don't want to have them get destroyed. Save onto them.
I mean, I wouldn't even know how to get this digitized. Incredible.
No idea,
All
right?
right, so choice of 8 or 18. Preserve those lifetime, once in a lifetime memories for your whole family and share that digital link. Thank you, Craig. All right. Available, it's the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 instant camera with the carry bag and the 10 film sheets. And I love